two possibility here in case of SPX. So there is a good chance it will be doing the flat or a triangle here. So if it is a triangle, then it will be only doing the two-way structure that will be coming to this and further to one up. Before it can go any further down. Maybe it is at 80%. Yeah, it is 90%. Okay. So now if you have any doubts, you can ask or you can type whichever the chart you want me to look. Please keep the questions like one or two.
So, good morning, Chakravarti.
Good morning. Good morning, Chakravarti.
Dr. Reddy's Lab and India Mart.
Okay. Dr. Reddy's Lab. Okay. And India Mart. So structurally hasn't changed much. So this is like a consolidation. So there is a chance it will go to 80%, I hope, because this is like 1, 2, and 3. It's as per daily. There is a lot of disturbance. I'll mute first. Okay, fine. So here, in case of Dr. Reddy, it is for the buy, definitely. And maybe here, you can expect a small cell that will be completing like A, B, C, D, and E. First, it will go and touch the top to the level of 4390. And if it comes in inside or moving like a little bit sideways, then you will be finding this. And after this, you might be finding one up. Or else, if this structure ends here as a ABC, and if further moves upside, then there is a chance like it will go to the top. Okay. So earlier, we were expecting it to go 80% or 100%, because as you see, this movement is sharper. Longer time zone, this is for the buy, not for the sell. But if you're looking in a very shorter time zone, a small consolidation or a downside movement can be expected, then upside. So look for the buy, not to sell in case of Dr. Reddy's.
So the targets you are now saying that small portion in the channel, it might go and touch and come down.
Yes, yes. It may be
which
like
is about 4.2 or something.
Yeah, 4250 or 4255, then it will come down.
Okay.
Okay. Until and unless it breaks this trend line, so we won't be selling it. Okay, if it is like a smaller, let's say it is taking some time, then also it's good sign that we are going to go one up.
So if you can see, there's an inverted head and shoulder coming up within the channel.
In a daily or hourly?
Yeah, no, right now. Just
Right
as you were showing me in the daily.
Maybe this one.
Yeah, so until that confirmation comes, if that confirmation comes, then is it correct to think, or it could be a failed?
Head and shoulder, usually like in this top, you won't be looking the head and shoulder structure.
Okay. Okay.
And for head and shoulder, if it is like, let's say this is the, if you're looking at one head, this is the two head, this is the third shoulder, then if you're thinking this, you see this shoulder is almost equal to this head. So it's not a proper head and shoulder structure as per me. But it is okay. It is doing the structure that of the triangle ABC, and here it's a ABC, and here it's a ABC, and here it's A, B, and C. And after that, it will decide like one more ABC, that will be a good sign. So it will go one more up.
So maybe it's safe to exit 424210 and then wait for it to come down.
No, I'm not like here. If you're exiting like 42 and buying 400 and for the 200 point, if it is the quantity is high, then it might take your brokerage also, brokerage and taxes. So don't look for this sell. If you already bought it, stay in the buy.
Okay.
So look for one more up. Whenever it will give one more upside, then you can minimum to minimum. I'm expecting like for this, if it is extended only, if it is extended, then at least we are going to go for 5,000. So stay up to that 5,066 or something. So don't look.
Actually, see this coming to 3917, which is also a demand zone plus the support line. There is a trend line also. The channel you have drawn.
Yeah.
It is exactly coming at that level, 3917. So I am looking at the candle as well as the volume. I really doubt right now it will go up. But then USD, of course, my chart is different than yours because I have.
Yes, definitely.
USD, I expect to go upside. So maybe the pharma and the news are coming about the medicine and vaccines. So I'm not sure. I'm slightly confused about Dr. Reddy. But if I get it around 3,900, maybe I'll buy it.
Yeah, you can see, and here whatever the news or circumstances, I believe like chart will show.
Yes,
if it is downside, it will definitely show and break this 3812 level in a sharper way. So then we can say, okay, this whole structure is like doing A, and this is like a B. So we can expect this to do like the flat. Okay. So then that circumstances will match. But again, after this flat also, I won't be seeing any further down because this moment is very sharp. Very sharp. So then here, if you are getting at this level, it's okay. If you are getting this level, you are lucky. You can have this and wait for this to happen.
Okay.
In the like Reddy spot. Okay, because after this moment, if it has to cross in really sharper way, or something very bad has to happen in the company or something else. If something is there internally, so this moment we wouldn't find, or we wouldn't seen this kind of moment if something is really bad. So that is my way of looking to the charts. Okay.
So just a question.
Yes,
also, can we, since you drew the channel, and even if we consider the ABC part, generally, since it's in the C part of the ABC, it is a habit for the C wave to complete. It doesn't suddenly have a truncated C.
If you have yes, like see, if you are seeing this like truncated one, so at least this structure has to break the 3800 level in sharper way.
Right.
So for that, like from here, if I look something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or something has started from this particular point. So here there is a C is pending. So
that's what I'm saying. But can we have a truncated C?
Yeah, we can have anything, but if that has to cross in like lesser time. So if I'm considering it to do the truncated C, so then at least like this, the time has got over. Okay, let's see, this is something. Then before 10th August, it needs to cross 3200. Then we can say this is the truncated C. This moment.
That's a tough one, but yeah, anything is possible.
Tough one, but anything can possible. But here, as per this structure, I hope we are doing one more up. So that is my way. Like here, we can see one up before it can go any further down or further up. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
And the other one is India Mart.
India Mart, we'll see. Okay. India Mart.
Yeah, India Mart.
Okay, this one too we have same.
Yeah, same.
Okay. This
hourly and daily.
Yeah, it's daily. Sorry. Presently, this is the trend for me. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir. Channel breakout.
Yes. So here we can see one up, maybe to the level of 28 or to the top we can expect here in case of India Mart. And for the longer zone, if you are looking here, we can say something like a 1 and 2, but this completed the structure in 2 ways, means not in a 3. But if like we don't know what happened at this chart, we don't have. So maybe at this level, if I'm considering this, so this has like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, that is matching. So here it's A, B and C. C is not yet completed, so it is in the B wave. A
so the
and
main
C.
reason for the upthrust is after the results came, it went for a massive profit booking, like good news.
So you can type it because power has gone, so I can't hear you people. So you can type and I can say.
Okay.
Chakravarti, you need to type.
Yeah, okay.
Here. There is a power cut, so UPS, on the UPS, the speaker is not running. So here in case of IndiaMart, I'll say what to expect it to for the buy. Okay, it can go up to the level of 2800 or 2874. Okay, that can be expected in case of IndiaMart. Okay, look for buy, not to sell. Result had come, profit booking, then now a climbing. Okay, yeah, this can be like a buy for at least like to the top channel stop, or at least like you can expect it to 38% or 61%. That will be 31.42 or 29.24. So look for buy, not to sell. Okay, fine. So Cholamandalam, yeah, we'll see first to the Vedanta. Vedanta, it is going, Anuj, going very sideways. So there is a chance like it will reverse first. But as per the moment, there is no confirmation yet. But if you bought it, then it's fine. It might be doing the level at 50%, or yeah, it is at 50%. So it can come a little bit up to the 31.8. That will be for the zigzag or a flat. But as per now, there is no sell confirmation. But the way it is going, I'm not happy with this. Anywhere it will reverse like this, or at 80% like this. If it is 100% like this. Okay. So this is we are in the B wave. So look for a smaller buy and then exit at 61%. So it might be doing the zigzag or to the flat. If it is doing flat, again, you can stay up to this. So as per now, look for the buy, not to sell. Okay. Cholamandalam, as per the daily, it is like, okay. Yeah, we are going to go upside only like 1 or 2 or 3, 4, or it might be the part of third, or it might be the complex correction. But after this, we'll be seeing one up. So look for buy, not to sell in case of Cholamandalam. Finance. Daily for the buy and hourly. Yeah, hourly also there is no sell yet because it is consolidating. So I hope it will go one up. So that will be completing the structure like this to the upside. Okay, look for buy only, not to sell. Galaxy surfactant. Okay. If you could like confirm the time, that will be good thing, so that we will be looking in that exactly in that time frame. Okay. Fine. So here it might be the longer horizon. It might be the time frame, or the structure is doing that of the triangle. It's like simple A, B, and C structure. In this C also, like this is 1 and 2, this is 3 and 4. Now it is going for the 5. So internally 5 waves, you need to look how it behaves. maybe to the 90% or to the 100%. So look for buy. After that, we will think how it does. Means a triangular structure or something else. Okay, but as per now, you can look for the buy for 80 to 90%. Then we will decide how it goes. Okay, as per this, the most probable, most possible structure is a triangle here. Most possible structure is triangle. So it will take some time. If you are looking like for longer time frame or longer horizon, you will be seeing some time taking structure here in case of galaxy surfactant. So if you bought already, exit somewhere around this point, and further we'll see how it goes. Okay, Grasim and Adani Port. Okay, Grasim Industries. So here Grasim first, it will come down, but not it is crossing in lesser time. So there is a good chance it will go one more up to the triangle, or at least to this top it will come. That level, sorry, is 720 or 680. So look for buy in case of Grasim, not to sell until and unless it crosses the level of 570. Okay. Look for buy, not to sell. If it is crossing in a sharper way, it is crossing downside also, there is a chance it will reverse first and then down. Okay, firstly to look for buy setup, then we will be seeing sell in case of Grasim. So as per now, look for buy. So again, the channel will be shifting from this level to this down. If it is reversing from that point, the top will be this. Getting my point? So that will be completing the structure like 1 and 2 or 3 and 4 and 5 for the upside. Okay, look for buy, not to sell. Adani Port. So for the Adani Port, you can look for the, like it has completed the 5 waves here. It's A, B, and C. It is again like a V reversal, but this fall is again a sharper way. So there we can expect this structure to do like a neutral triangle. Let's say this is A, B, C, and D and E. So after this, it will go one more up. So for here, you can expect a sell for at least like 275 or to the zone of 290 or 300. If it is reversing, then you can look for the buy. If not, stay in a sell, then look for the buy. So this structure is looking like A, B, C, D, and E, neutral triangle. Okay, so we can expect this to happen. Okay, fine. So which is, Anuj, you are looking 125 in case of? Okay, Aster Atul Limited. Okay, Aster Life.
So Aztec
Life Sciences. Yeah, in the last week we have discussed this. Still in a buy, so there is no downside. So this structure has changed a little bit. Here we can expect some consolidation as per the hourly structure. There's something has 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 has completed. So now it's a sharper moment. So there is a chance like it might be doing the structure that of the zigzag. Okay, it is near that. So we can expect this one down before it can go any further. Or if it is doing the flat, so it will come to the level of 1094 and then to the down. So in the hourly basis, it is like a sell. In the daily basis, it is for the stay in a buy. Okay. Atul. Yeah. Okay. As per the daily, Atul here, it has some structure like A, 0, A, and B and C. So at least 80% we can expect from the down, or to the 100% if I see this structure. So stay in a buy for at least like to the top 5,400 or something. So look for buy, not to sell in case of Atul. Okay. Okay, we'll see IOC. Please, as daily basis, my target is above 100. Okay. Sorry for this interruption because I'm helpless now. But because you are not able to, I'm not able to hear you people because of this power cut. You may stay in a buy here in case of IOC. Sorry, boss. Wait. So you can look for this channel stop. Yeah, you can stay. There is no hurry to exit it. So you can stay in for 101 is a minimum, and 107 can be expected. So 101 and 107 will be the target. So stay in a buy, not to sell in case of IOC. Yeah. Yes, Bank and Grasim. Nifty stock. Okay. S Bank. S Bank in the earlier only we said like here there was not a follow through for this. Whatever they are trying to do, but this is going again to the downside. So I'm not in favor of buy this until and unless it will give some solid breakout and a consolidation. So this is the earlier breakout, but after this there was no consolidation. See, this moment was sharper, but there was no following consolidation. So here it is again doing the structure of ABC. So there is a possibility this 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 is ending something. You might getting reverse. So if you want to play, you can buy and sell like at 30 or something. That is fine, but it can go even to the downside, and nothing will be left. For example, if it is a 13 rupees trading in 13 rupees, if it is coming to the bottom to the 4 rupees, you will be losing almost 60 to 70% of this your buying price. So think before you invest, or at least if it is coming to the level of 2 or 3 rupees, you can buy for stay again. Like it might come to the level of 10 rupees or 7 rupees sometimes, or some newses, then you can. Okay, Grasim you have seen already. So Grasim Industries or Grasim, yeah, this is only I think, right? Yeah, Grasim you can look for the buy. So here a small downside movement can be expected to the 560 or 565. Then we will be seeing one up for the 646. So look for buy, not to sell. Here it will be completing some structure, a flat or a triangle. It has to go one up before it can go any further. Okay. Yeah. Dixon and Suven from. Okay. Dixon. Technology. Yeah. Stay in a buy. There is no need to exit until and unless it gives a daily breakout for the downside. Stay in a buy. Chakravarti, or stay in a buy in case of Dixon. There is no sell until and unless it confirms it. So Suven Pharma, Ceuticals, some small consolidation. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So internally 5 waves I'll be exiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here it's, I think, as per this. So it might do the structure that of the flat or triangle, but here it's a chance if you have already bought, I think need to exit as per the early structure. It will be going to coming to the downside for 520 or 530 levels. Okay, to complete this structure like 540 flat or zigzag. So I'm exiting here if I already bought as per the daily structure, but daily also, like as per now, something is finishing, I hope. So here it's like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Or if it is like a 1 and 2, it might be the part of third wave, then we can expect one up. If it is not crossing these trend lines and not hitting, then we can say it is for the longer third wave, 1 and 2 of third, 3 and 4 of third, and 5th of third. Then this will happen. Okay, so stay in a buy as per early, exit and then re-enter. Okay, Adani Green. These kinds of structure I sometimes won't buy, because if you see this, someone is selling vigorously. You can hear, let's A, B and C. You can expect this to go a little bit up, then a down. Huh? Okay, so this is for the Adani Green, Balakrishna and Communist. Okay, this is LG Balakrishna or Balakrishna Industries it is. Balakrishna Industries. Okay, this is fine. This moment is not very sharp, but if something has ended at this particular point, let's say here or here, a small expected downside, it is not in a sharper way, but we can expect some consolidation here, maybe to the 38% or to the 61%. As per this, stay in a sell until and unless it crosses the 1324. So we are going to go in a sell mode. So maybe at 1078 or to the 925 can be expected. Then it will go one more up. So this will be good thing. So if you already bought it, exit, and if you're getting here, buy there of 1078 or to the 925 level for further up. Or from here, if it is you are getting the buy, then you can look for 1574. But as per this candle, it might not be crossing the high. So stay in a sell for at least 1078 in case of Balakrishna Industries. Okay. Communists. Yeah. So chart is already ready. So you can look for the buy as per the daily, but early you have a little surprise. So this like a triangle for me or a flat. So A, B as per this, now it has to go a little bit downside, complete this structure as a flat or a triangle. So here, after that, you will be getting this. So firstly, look for sell to 373 and 336. If it is going a little bit up also, there is a good chance it will come down. 61% or 80% will be reversing point. From that, it will come down. Okay, so look for sell, not to buy as of now. So Harley also nothing changed, nothing much has changed. So I am not selling Dixon as of now. There is no confirmation yet. So we can expect this to happen. If it is not crossing the level of 75 or 7,500, we'll be staying one more up for 8,040 or 8,050. As per early also, we are going to go one up if it is not crossing this level. Okay. You want to re-enter? No, don't enter. Let it go, whatever the level it goes. For example, from here you will be getting like 200 points or 300 points on, even for the 500 points for 7,500. If you are moving 7,500, 750 points also, that is only a 10%. So don't do that. If you want to re-enter in a like early or lower time frames, like in an intraday basis, you can do that. Enter here, keep the stop loss, and if it is going high, stay for this. That can done. Not like a positional, stay in an intraday position. Okay, fine. So we'll exit. So we'll finish here session. So if you have any questions, like 1 or 2, I'll take them. One last question, and we'll be exiting this forecast now. And have a wonderful weekend ahead. Stay safe. Okay, someone is entering here now. IOC price matter with the crude? It may matter, but definitely it will matter. A crude movement will be, because that is the major consumers or whatever you say. So that is the reason crude price will definitely affect the internal price or level of the oil companies. But as per the price, it doesn't seem like it will going to affect this level. If it has to affect, it will be in a very sharper way. So then we will be knowing in a structure. So as per this, you will be going to go one up only. Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Take care. Bye, guys.